Hi guys! Tonight we're cooking sinigang na baboy with Gabi or pork in sour broth with taro. Also, join me in cleaning while we're cooking. So the first thing that I'm going to do is to slice the pork belly or pork liampo that we bought into cubes. I'm only going to use half of this slice, so that's about 250 grams of pork meat. Then I'm going to put the rest in the fridge. Now I'm going to wash the meat before putting it in the pot, and then I'm going to pour water in it, just enough to cover the meat. Now I'm going to sprinkle salt and pepper while I'm heating it. While I'm waiting for it to boil, I'm going to wash the dishes because I like to keep my working station clean when I'm cooking. I don't want all the used dishes to pile up when I'm done with my work. Now I'm going to slice an onion and 2 tomatoes into quarters. And then after that, I'm going to peel the taro and slice it into quarters too. Make sure to soak the taro with water after peeling and washing it for it not to turn black. Then I'm going to wash the okra. I only used half of the pack because I know my husband won't be eating it. So these are now the ingredients for the rest of the procedure. You can find the full list of the ingredients in the description box below. Now that the water is finally boiling, I'm going to add the onion and tomatoes. Then I'm just going to let it boil for about 30 minutes or until the meat is tender. While waiting, I'm again going to wash the things that I used. I'm also going to wash this rice cooker because I'm going to cook rice. After 30 minutes, I'm going to put the gabi and let it boil for another 10 minutes or until the gabi is tender. Now that the gabi or taro is cooked, I'm going to pour the sinigang mix. At first, I only poured like half of the pack, but eventually I poured all of it. I also changed my clothes here, as you can notice, because a while ago I was wearing my outdoor clothes. So when I finally had a chance, I changed into the most comfy clothes that I have.
Even when it gets hard and we wanna let go, I still love you like crazy.
I'm now going to put the okra and then I'm going to cover the pot and let it cook for another 5 minutes.
It gets hard and we wanna let go. Never been the type for giving up. Complicated situations only make it worse, cause just getting started is not enough. I'll be around when you need me, promise there won't be no leave. Even on my worst days 2 a.m. my shift face, tripping off something that you done, yeah. I would never listen, my what comes and run out.
Finally, I'm going to turn off the stove, and while the pot is still hot, I'm going now to put the spinach and red pepper.
I would ever walk out on you. I wanna let you know. Even when it gets hard and we wanna let go, I still love you like crazy. I wanna let you know. Even when it gets hard and we wanna let go. Even though you're stressed about the small shit sometimes, nothing I can say to you could change up your mind. I'll get on your nerves and then we'll fight. Give you all the space you need in on those nights, yeah. Even on your worst days. When you get in my face, tripping on something that I've done, yeah. I would never listen, my what comes and run out.
So we decided to put red pepper instead of the green one because that's what is available in our fridge. But usually we should put the green one in it. Now the last thing that I'm going to do before we eat is to wash the dishes again, just because I want a clean sink and countertop before we eat.
I still love you like crazy. I wanna let you know. Even when it gets hard and we wanna let go, I still love you like crazy. Love you like crazy. Love you like crazy.
Stick around, just like cigarette smoke.
Like a dream, I fell asleep, but I never woke. They say you're bad, but I just can't.
And then that's it. We're now going to eat the soup together with the rice. It was really good, guys. Anyway, thank you for watching. I hope you liked this cook and clean with me video. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're already subscribed to my channel, don't forget to click on the bell icon to keep you notified every time I post a new video. And if you're not yet subscribed, please do subscribe to my channel to see more videos from me. Also, follow me on Instagram at LoveTrisha12. Bye!
Can't let